idea is to ultimately help attorneys productize their services through standardizing and automating frequently used legal documents that anyone from an SMB to a startup to whoever might need to use, even consumers at the end of the day, whether it's a will or it's an NDA or it's divorce paperwork. The idea is to ultimately automate and standardize this stuff and turn it into products that ultimately these law firms can provide to folks.
Yeah, I think it's absolutely brilliant. I always remember when my attorney called me on this and he said, I have got this phenomenal startup company. They already have hundreds of attorneys that use their documents. They simplify everything. I'm like, okay. But Chris, how do you know this thing even works? And he said, because I pretend to take ages to do documents for you that actually take a tiny amount of time because I use their software. I'm like, that's awesome.